Stay there for a second, Wayne. Okay, come out. Whoa! He's fast.
Oh, yeah.
He's so amazing. This is a video. This is Braille. He is an albino dachshund, and he is both blind and deaf. And he is a sweetie. Aren't you, honey? And why we talk to him, we don't know, because we're just nuts. But, whoops! We moved stuff on you, didn't we? Whoa! I can't keep up with you, kid. Oh, sorry, babe. What? Quit chasing me. What? Walk out here a little bit. I want him to smell you. I want to get a picture of him going up the stairs.